How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on a story. Want to add Instagram highlights without your followers seeing the story? Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'll guide you the simple trick to do it. So first of all, you need to navigate to Instagram, select to open it, and then you need to make sure to sign into your account. First, you need to hide your story from a specific user. So tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner, navigate to three-line menu icon at top right corner. And after that, you need to scroll down. Look for the option of hide story and live and select it. Choose hide story and live from, and you need to select your own account or other account and then tap on done at top right corner. Now come back to the same setting page and you need to scroll down and look for the option of close friends and you need to choose that same account. Then tap on down bottom and you need to go back to your home section. Tap your story at top left and add a story. Now you need to select close friends at bottom right corner of your screen. Now this story won't be seen by your close friend because you have added the same user on hide story and live and same user on close friends. After adding your story, you can easily navigate to your story at top left and select highlight at bottom right. Now you can add to existing highlights or you can create a one. So that is how you can easily add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.